Let's go on a quick video of my Axial Wraith monster truck conversion. I think I'm finally done with it. But anyway, I went and picked up the hot racing shocks, kind of make it look more scale. It's not like the monster trucks. It has a spring inside the actual shock housing. Let's put the diff covers on there, just kind of dress it up a little bit. Bought the Ramtech overhead light, the police light bar. Painted the rims green in the center, kind of black, to match the exterior of the truck. And I have, like, again, the rear diff cover, aluminum from Hot Racing. There's the back of the light bar. It's kind of cool.